Welcome and thank you for joining me today in Bloom's Kitchen. We are going to be making pumpkin soup with starch. Now, for those of you who live in areas where you find it difficult to get melon seeds or egusi seeds, pumpkin is an excellent substitute. You hardly miss melon when you use pumpkin. Now, I'm going to be showing you in details how to make your starch. Really super easy and simple. Relax, sit back, don't forget to share this video with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, like and leave me a comment in the comment section. I'll be right back and we'll go through the ingredients we'll be using today. Thank you. Welcome back. So for my pumpkin soup today, I'm going to be using cayenne pepper, locust beans or iru, this is optional, salt to taste, chicken stock powder. I'm going to be using fresh rosemary for my meat, shrimp, red palm oil, ginger, Uziza leaves. Uziza leaves are optional. I'm going to be using tomato paste, blended crayfish, and I'm going to be using toasted pumpkin seeds. So these are toasted and salted. You can get it in any grocery store. I got this from Costco. And here I have 2 onions, some dry fish, goat meat, mushrooms. I have washed and sliced this. And then I'm going to be using fish. This is Atlantic whitening. Or for those of you in other countries, it's also called Canola. And then for my vegetable today, I'm going to be using Gai Lan. I got this from Walmart. So really you can use kale, pumpkin leaves, Swiss chard, spinach, collard greens, or whatever leaves you have locally. And for my swallow today, we are going to be using starch. This one I got from Walmart. You can get it from Walmart Superstore. It's just called tapioca starch. Now for my goat meat, I'm going to be making a green marinade for it. So just keep watching. I'll show you what I'm using for my green marinade, blend it quickly, and we put this in the pressure pot. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, this will be a wonderful time to do so. So for my green marinade, I'm going to be using basil, parsley, cilantro, green bell pepper, celery, and leek. I'm going to blend this together with olive oil, and then I'll be back to pour that into my meat and show you the rest of the spice for the meat. Thank you. Blended the green marinade. I like to blend because that releases all the flavors even the more. So I'm just going to be adding rosemary. I'll add some salt and then my chicken stock powder, and then lastly I'm going to add my onions. have it. Our pumpkin seed soup is ready. Really delicious. It's a good alternative to melon or a goosey. So if you're looking for something new to try out, definitely give this a try. And you can pair it with any swallow of your choice. Today I have shown you how to make starch. So leave me a comment in the comment section. Have you had this soup before? How do you like it compared to melon? And for the pumpkin seeds, they are toasted already, so you can put them on your salad, or you can even have it by itself as a snack. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed and wonderful